Ni kigomano kiria kihariirio ni ruhonge rwa wendia wa macani rwa KTDA rugikuruhania rugamiriri anene magana mana undu umwe na urugamiriri wa kibururi wa ruhonge ruru. Itanya inene ria kigomano giki ari kwaririria iguru rigie kwagirithia thogora ya macani. Agitongoria kigomano giki, Minister wa urimi Mithika ni ahenete ikiiraniro kuri arimi ya macani ya gutigirira ni mamukira marihi makiria kumana na werutaniria wao ukiringithania na matuko ma hau kabere.
We must brand our tea so that we can be able to make more money out of tea, which will translate to greater earnings.
Our revenue, which this the farmer went up by 19 billion, which was about 43% extra. In total, farmers are able to get 63 billion going to their farmers after expenses.
Kuna ndugamano cia mahinda kwa mahinda ikoretwo ikiyumiria gatagati ka rugamiriri aria merega gucagurwo na aria mahagurirwo ithei-ini cia macani. Riu Linturi ni augite thirikari ni ikuhe gitio matua magoti macira-ini maya no arugamiriri aria mariho mathie na mbere na gukinyaniria wira wao.
I appointed a task force to resolve outstanding issues and pave way for the implementation of the provisions of the year 2020.
We need to restructure KTDA, but even the structure of that KTDA is not possible because somebody have already gone to court and stopped that. So ideally we'll have to rationalize expenditures, and those are the issues that we find ourselves antagonized.
Guthinikana kwa hinya wa ciringi ya Kenya ikiringithanio na dola ya bururi wa Amerika gukagwetwo ta undu hatiriirie thogora wa macani, ni thirikari ikendekithia mabengi kwaga kwiguna maria ika ndirio cenjania wa kigina giki wabatarikana.
If the banks are converting on buying our dollars at 109, that is robbery with violence. I will intervene. Wakulima watakaa kule wauze majani chai wanunuliwe na dola wakati banki inaniuzia dola at 127. And
the minister is keen to see that we are able to get the best value for our US dollars that we are able to realize within which will come to the farmers.
Medekithia mawatho wa kuramata thogora ya macani ma mwaka wa 2020 na maria mari mbere ya ndudu ya maminista ni magwetetwo ta njira ikihuthia urimi wa macani, imwe ya njira iria ikuguna arimi ari uheani wa kigina kia macani kiria kioikaine ta Tea Fund.
The concept note proposes the establishment of a scheme aimed at unlocking the potential of Kenya tea by providing both tax and other incentives.
And we are proud of our #1 position in terms of being the greatest supplier of tea in the market. Of course, there are other countries, but we lead. So we want to appreciate what we have been able to achieve.
Arimi macani no moritio kwaga guteaniria urimi wa irio kaimana niguo gwithemana na uhuthiri wa kigina kiria mathukumaga hari thogora ya macani. Hadinya Kameme TV ritwira ko ni bataru wa Mwagi.